really cool place. You get to discover a cavern that's been there for millions of years. We got on a tour. I gave it 10 stars.
While this water might look pretty deep, it's actually only about 2 to 3 inches deep at its deepest point. What you're seeing is just a reflection of the ceiling onto the water. That's why this is called Mirror Lake. Now on the opposite side of Mirror Lake is what would be Rainbow Falls. It's the continuation of Trout Stream. It drops about 37 feet into the lower levels of the cavern. It's obviously not flowing right now, but at times it can be a really active waterfall. And there are also 2 kind of cool rocks I can show you right here. So the first one is this one right next to me. We call it the tuning fork because if I smack it, kind of resonates and bounces around the room a little bit. And this one does something kind of similar. So those are both pretty cool. If y'all remember at the very start of the tour, I said about 10% of the cavern was initially inaccessible. That's this area right here. From this wall to this wall was completely filled in with mud. Dr. Amos suspected there was more behind it, so he began to dig. When he got to about where the door is today, he stuck his shovel in and was unable to remove it from the mud. It actually took about 4 men in total to remove it. When they finally did, they heard a very loud popping sound, and all their hats were sucked off their heads and into the next room. They realized they broke in a partial vacuum, which is super rare. When they stepped inside, they found a formation which had never been discovered before. They took the Greek word anthos, meaning flower-like, and dites, meaning cluster or group, to form the name anthodites. Anthodites are perfect 6-sided crystals made of pure calcite, so they're completely white.
That's all for today's video with Fun with Caleb. Make sure to like, subscribe, do all the good stuff. I'll talk to you guys next time. So until then, goodbye. Fun with Caleb. Science, math, art, nature, and more. Hosted by Caleb and Cele. Join us on an adventure. Meet new friends. Explore new places, tips, and tricks.